Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's find our power options, which if you swipe twice here, so just to show this again, swipe once from the top and then in this area swipe again, it will show you your power button right here. Click on it and then hold power off, which changes into reboot to safe mode. Click on OK and wait for the device to boot back up into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed after the setup will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device will be able to start it up. Obviously this is done for troubleshooting purposes, so if you don't have trouble, there is really no reason for you to enter this mode. Now let's see if we have anything here that I can showcase. So widgets will not work, as you can kind of see, it just never will load. But other than that, it looks like there's nothing else here. There was in our apps Black Desert as a game that you can try to open, and it then redirects you to the Play Store to download it, which is no longer visible here as just the safe mode just kind of hides it away. On the home screen right here, I believe applications will be semi-transparent and grayed out when you can't use them, and if you try to open them up, it would usually give you the message that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can again do the same thing, swipe down from the top of your screen and then in here, click on the power button and you would select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically will go back to normal mode. So with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.